There is no end to Pakistan's atrocities against the people of Balochistan. The issue has caught the attention of international law experts, eminent scholars, human rights activists and Baloch Diaspora, who came together at the Carnegie Center for International Peace in Washington, D.C. for Balochistan International Conference 2011. Organized by the Baloch Society of North America, the conference had a number of eminent speakers, including Andrew Eiva, Dr. Jumma Marri, Michael Hughes, Wendy Johnson, Jalal and Jalal Baloch. The delegates condemned the atrocities on the Baloch people by Pakistan's army and intelligence agencies and called for an urgent intervention by the international community to prevent genocide in Balochistan.
Pakistan is using all the resources that the American government is giving Pakistan to fight the Islamic extremists and terrorists, but those resources and the monies are being spent against the Baloch people, against the Baloch national movement and against the Baloch freedom fighter, that they are fighting a war for freedom, for independence, against the Pakistani illegal occupation and exploitation of Baloch resources, which is going on for the last 63 years.
Pakistan's resource-rich province of Balochistan has been a victim of the federal government's discriminatory policies. Over the years, the army and intelligence agencies have been targeting innocent people, political activists and nationalists. In recent years, the incidents of forceful abductions and the killings of Baloch activists and professionals by intelligence agencies have created a human rights crisis.
According to Amnesty International, the situation in Balochistan is of extreme concern, and people are disappearing, killed and abducted in large numbers. And Pakistani government is using these abuses to intimidate and silence Baloch population.
Jumma Marri, a Baloch political activist who now lives in exile in Moscow, wants the United States to take stringent action against Pakistan. He said foreign journalists were kept away from the province and local journalists who try and present the real picture to the outside world were harassed and killed.
Where there is a war zone, the countries tend to prevent the information flow. So Pakistani government is well aware of international worries, so they keep away all international journalists inside Balochistan. Even Pakistani own journalists, they complain that they have been blackmailed, that they receive threats if they write about Balochistan. So the issue is not only international community or the journalists, but inside Pakistan, Baloch journalists are being killed.
A majority of Baloch political activists and nationalists who were facing threats from Pakistan have left Balochistan and are living in exile in UK, the USA, Russia, France and the Middle East. They're worried about the ongoing arrests, kidnapping, torture and extrajudicial killings of the Baloch people. They feel it's time for the world community to intervene in Balochistan.